Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about operators in Python. So we will discuss about operators in Python. So in this class, we will discuss arithmetic operators and the remaining operators we will discuss in the future classes. But now in this class, we will discuss about arithmetic operators. So first of all, let's create a file. Let's save it using Ctrl S and go to the documents and go to the Python programs. And here type arithmetic dot py, or you can write arithmetic operators dot py and save it. So in the arithmetic operators, we are having addition. So we are having addition. Let's see addition. How can we do addition? So we know, right? For example, x is equal to 25 plus 79. So what is the output? What is the output? So it will give the addition of both the numbers. So 25 plus 79, you will get 104. So you can do multiple additions. Like for example, take 45 plus 67 plus 78 plus. So in this way, you can do lot of additions. Click on OK. So just print. So we can print x comma y, right? See, we got the two outputs. One is 104, one is 235. So in this way, we can do additions by using arithmetic operations. And we are having subtraction. And we can do subtraction also. And value is equal to 79 minus 56. Then print value. So then you'll get the required value as 22. The required value as 22. So in this way, we can do the arithmetic like a subtraction operation also. And we are having another one is multiplication. And we know, right? For example, I'll take result is equal to 45 into 34. Yeah, 34 into 45 into 3000. So then we will get the multiplication as the result in the result variable. Just you have to print a result. That's it. Then you will the result will be 206550000. So in this way we can do the multiplication operation also. And we are having a division operation. For example, for example, a is equal to 12 and b is equal to 2. And print a by b. So what you will get? You will get 2 6 12 as the answer. See, we got 6.0. We got 6.0. So 6 is the coefficient. 2 6 are 0. So in the division, we will get the quotient, quotient. And another thing is we are having modulus, modulus. So in the modulus, for example, I'll take 20 and d is equal to 5. So what here get here? Here you will get the remainder. Print C modulus d. C modulus d. Let's save it and get the output. So you will get the remainder. So 5 4s are 20 and the remainder is 0. So in the modulus, we will get the remainder. In the modulus, we will get the remainder. You can typecast, I think. See, now 6.0 is gone. Now 6.0 is gone. So how it is gone? Because I have typecasted to float to the decimal. Float to the decimal. And we are having power. We will have power operator. So how can you do it? For example, x is equal to 2, or you can write e is equal to, and f is equal to 5. F is equal to 5. So print e 2 stars and f. So which means 2 power 5. So what is the 2 power 5 value? 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 is 32. 32 is the answer. So we got 2 power 5. 2 power 5. So this is the power. So you have to include 2 stars here in between them. So 2 power 5. E is equal to 2 and f is equal to 5. 2 power 5. And we are having floor division. We are having floor division. We are having floor division, and the floor division, how can you write? G is equal to 14, and for example 15, and f is equal to f h is equal to 2, h is equal to 2, and print so just print print 9, sorry, print G floor division means 2 floor division and h. That's it, I think. So let's print it. See, we got 7. We got 7. So which means what is floor division? So it will give the nearest value. For example, if you divide 15 with by 2, so what you will get? You will get 7.5, right? In the 7.5. But it will cut that 7.5 and it will give the nearest value to the the nearest division. 2 sevens are 14, right? So 7 will be the output. 7 will be the output. And for example, if we give 19 here, if you give 19, so 2 nines are 18, right? 2 nines are 18, but you have 19, right? So 9 is the output. See, 9 is the output because the nearest value is 9. See, we got 9. We got 9. So these are all basic arithmetic operators. So I hope you understand floor division and power, modulus, and division. So in the modulus, you will get in the modulus, you will get the remainder. You'll get the remainder. You'll get the remainder. So I hope you understand. So you'll get the remainder. So this is out. So this is what arithmetic operators are. So I hope you understand all these things. And if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I will help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, just please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefit from this video, and please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.